Hello everyone, welcome back to Brighter Brainz. So today let us discuss a unique topic, that is statistics in this class. That it is of 10th standard, and before going into the video, just click the subscribe button, like and share the video. Okay, and for getting from now I'm going to post the regular videos, so that for that if you want to get notified, so click the bell icon below the video, so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever I'm going to upload the video. So now let us start the chapter statistics. So statistics. So in the statistics, we are going to discuss about mean, median and mode of grouped data here. So in the 9th standard, you learnt about the ungrouped data and also the basics of grouped data. So here we are going to learn about different methods for finding the mean, mode and median of grouped data here. Okay. So first, let us know, let us discuss some of the introduction of ungrouped data for the mean, median and mode. Okay. So what is ungrouped data and grouped data? Let us know the difference. Okay. Ungrouped data is nothing but if there is a data like it is not at all grouped, it is nothing but if there are some of the marks in a class of 10 students, some got 12, 20, 19, 18, 11. Let us take only 5 students, not that much. So these are the marks of 5 students. These are not grouped at all. These are not grouped. So it is ungrouped data. So ungrouped data is nothing but the data which is not at all grouped in a table. Okay, grouped data will be in a structure with a table. Okay, so in this ungrouped data, let us find the mean first. Okay, let us find the mean. For finding the mean, what is the formula for this? For ungrouped data, sum of observations
by
number of observations. That is, sum of observations is nothing but this individual thing is called as observations. Okay, each observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observations. Okay, so sum of observations by number of observations. So first, what are the observations here? Let us add 12 plus 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus 11 whole divide by how many number of observations are here? 5. Now if we add here 12 plus 20, 32, 32 plus 19, 42, 51, is it? 51, 51 plus 10, 61, 62 plus 11, sorry, 62, 62 plus 18, 80. Okay, that is 80 whole divided by 5. Cancel it. 5 ones 5 and 3 will be left over. 30 is how many times? It is 6 times. So it is 16. Here the mean of this ungrouped data will be 16. So in this way, for the ungrouped data we are going to find mean in this way. And what is mode? What is mode? Mode is the observation which is most repeated value, most repeated observation, which is like here there is no repeated value here. Let us take it as 12 itself here. If we take 12 there, which is the most repeated value? Only 12, that is 2 times. So the mode for this will be 12. Okay, and median, how do you find median? So actual data is here, it is 11, right? So before finding the median, you need to sort this observations in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order, or whether it is ascending or descending, no worries, but it should be in an order. So first let us sort in ascending order. So first 11, next 12, next 18, 19, 20. After sorting, the median will be the middlemost value. What is a median?
18.
Middlemost value. Middlemost value. the middlemost value of this ungrouped data is 18. So the median will be 18. Okay, jersey number 18, is it? Whose jersey number is it? Virat Kohli. Okay. Okay, good. And next, if there are even number of observations, here these are 5. So we are dividing 2 and 2, one will be left over. So we are taking it as middle value. If there are in this way even number of observations, which is the middle value here then? So the sorted observations are like this. Now what will be the median here? What is the middlemost value?
18 and 9.
The average of 18 and 19, that is the mean of 18 and 19 will be taken as median. Okay, so like here we are going to use some of the applications of this ungrouped data in the grouped data. Okay, we don't need to go back again, just a small like remembrance of this concept. Now let us go to grouped data. Without any delay, let's discuss about grouped data. So it is some recap of the ungrouped data. Now grouped data will be structured and it will be in a table, is it? Normally in common we will be seeing like one of the row will be class interval and one of the row will be frequency. This is a common structure of a grouped data, is it? So here the values of the class intervals and the frequency will be in this way. Okay, this is a structure. So here class intervals will be in this way: 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60. So these will be the range. Class interval will be the range. So these are the ranges. So in this range it should be the same range should be here. Here what is the class mark? How do you find the class mark? There is a major thing you need to know here. So what is a class mark here? First, class mark is nothing but the upper limit. Upper limit is the highest value in the class interval. That is the upper limit, and the lowest value will be lower limit. Lower limit, this is the upper limit. And can I know what is the upper limit here in this class interval? 60. Lower limit will be 40. So if you want to know the class mark of this class interval, so class mark will be represented by xi. Okay, will be represented with a symbol xi. So xi is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. It is nothing but the average of this class interval. Average of the upper limit and lower limit is nothing but the class mark. Then what is the upper limit here? 20 plus what is the lower limit? 0 divided by 2. That is 20 by 2 is equal to 10. So here the class mark of this interval will be 10. Okay, and class mark of this interval will be 40 plus 20, that is 60. 60 over 2, it is 30. So in that way, so here the class interval will be 50. Is it 40 plus 60? And also one of the small trick, it is not a trick, it is a common thing. Here what is the class mark? Class mark here 10. And what is the difference between these two limits? Upper limit minus the lower limit. 20 minus 0? 20 minus 0? 20. 20 minus 0 is 20. So add 20 for this 10. How much you will be getting? 30 will be the class mark for this next interval. So we don't need to find average again and again by applying this formula. Okay, we don't need to find class mark again and again with this formula. That will be very complicated. First you need to know the difference. You need to know the first class interval class mark. Then after adding the difference and class mark, here the difference will be 20 everywhere. In every class interval the 20 will be the difference. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 is a xi here. And for this add again, what is the difference? Like what is the difference of these two? Again 20. Add 20 for this 30. You will be getting 50. And here also 50. If you want to verify, 40 plus 60, 100. 100 over 2. will be 50. We are getting the same thing. Okay. Next, frequency, they'll be giving in random. So this is the structure of the group data. Now let us go to the actual concept, that is measures of dispersion or else measures of central tendency. These three are called as measures of central tendency. So what are the three measures of central tendency? First one is mean, second one is mode, and third one is median. So these three are called as measures of central tendency or else measures of dispersion. Done? So first, now in this class we will be discussing about the mean completely and the different methods to solve the to find the mean. We'll be discussing all these topics here. Okay. Now these three are, please note it down, these three are called as measures of central tendency, that is mean, mode, median. Okay.